Hello children, today we'll be discussing the important points about note making and summary. I'll also be telling you how to attempt this question in your exam. The marks allotted for this is 8 marks. That means note making will be for 4 marks and summary will be for 4 marks. Now basically why do we do note making and summary? To filter the important information and help us retain it, and also for future reference. जब हम कोई इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक पढ़ते हैं और फर्स्ट रीडिंग में हम उसको बहुत डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं, बट देन हम जब सेकेंड रीडिंग उस टॉपिक की करते हैं तो वी लुक फॉर इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स एंड दैट इज़ वेयर नोट मेकिंग कम्स इनटू पिक्चर. आप भी अपने सब्जेक्ट्स में अलग अलग बुक्स में नोट्स बनाते होंगे, बट दिस पर्टिकुलर नोट मेकिंग विच इज़ फॉर इंग्लिश हैज़ अ पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मेट टू बी फॉलोड. Here are some important points that you need to remember while doing note making. You have to select only the relevant data and essential phrases from the passage. You have to use minimum words. You cannot write stories there. Do not use complete sentences. Use of prepositions and auxiliaries is generally avoided while doing note making. Title is very important. When you read the passage that has been given to you, it is important that you give it a suitable title. While writing notes, we use abbreviations, and indentation and presentation of the note is very important. I'll discuss this point with you in detail. Okay, children, indentation means the space that we leave after the margin. Okay, that is indentation. Margin के बाद हम जितनी जगह छोड़ते हैं, that is indentation. There's a certain way of attempting this. Now, when you are attempting this question, here on top you will be writing note making. After this, the first thing that you do is write the title. Whatever title you want to give, please write your title here. Then when I say indentation, it is basically, see, you read the passage, you have to write a minimum of 4 headings and subheadings accordingly. Let us see, suppose I'll give you a small example. The paragraph that you have got is about pollution, okay, for say. So point number 1, I start writing from here. The heading that I want to give this particular point is, what is pollution? Now here you will start using the abbreviations. Okay. Now when I say indentation, it means that the first point is here, then below this you will write more points related to this particular point. So you can write 1.1, whatever you want to write about this. Okay. 1.2, 1.3. This is how you will write the points. Suppose there is something about here, this point you write types. Okay. You want to write the sub points, you will write A here, noise, land, water, etc. Okay, whatever the points are. Then you want to move on to the second point, so you will write 2. Okay, reasons. This is an abbreviation. So this is how you will do. Now here next you will want to write, you write 2.1 here, 2.2, 2.3. Okay, point number 3, then you write 3.1. Suppose you want to give sub points here, you will write A, B, C. So this is how you will attempt note making. Okay. Then after attempting note making, you have to write list of abbreviations. This is very important. You get marks for this. If you forget to write this, your marks will be deducted. So whatever abbreviations you have used in your notes, and children, don't forget to put a dot after each abbreviation because it indicates that you are using an abbreviation here. We have used two. You have to, I would suggest you write a minimum of 5 abbreviations in your answer. So the first one is this, and it stands for pollution. Okay. The second one is, okay, and it stands for this. And this is how you will attempt. After you do all this, enclose this in a box. And this will get you 4 marks. Okay. The complete thing that I have told you. Please do not skip anything. Be very particular about the format. Be very particular about dotting, putting a dot after the words and everything. So this will get you 4 marks. The next part of the question is summary. In the same paragraph that you have made notes for, you have to write the summary. Again, the thing that you have to do here is you write the title. You can use the same title that you have used before the note making. You write the title, it carries marks, and summary is always 1/3 of the passage. Okay. And sometimes you're also given a word limit, and that is nearly 80 words. So your summary should not exceed the word limit. Okay. This carries 4 marks. You will not change paragraphs. You will start writing from the margin, and just continue writing. Do not make points here. Okay. While you write summary, remember that you use complete sentences, and you have to just put the thoughts across in your own words. जो चीज़ आपको पैराग्राफ में दी हुई है उसको आप अपने वर्ड्स में लिखेंगे, and you have to sum up everything in 80 words. Okay. That is basically a gist of the big paragraph that you have got in the question. Children, I hope the topic is clear. I'll be sending you a couple of exercises. Please solve them in your English notebook. Thank you.